have a big giveaway from Manos Uruguay for 2 of their Yesica wrap kits. And when I saw this pattern, I got so excited. I started knitting it myself. I'm going to show it to you. But first, let's cut away to a picture of the wrap. Isn't that pretty? And the kits that I have to give away are those exact colors. So pretty. And so I'm going to show you what yarn you get with this. This is the kit right here. This is one of the kits that I have to give away. The main color is merino wool and silk. And then the transition color is kid mohair, a kid mohair blend. And this is what's going to give you like the fuzz and the transitions. I know the pattern that I showed you, you can't really see it that much. You'll see it when you're knitting it though. And then you get 2 mini skein kits for all of the other colors in there. This is such a beautiful kit, such amazing yarn. And Manos is a great company too. Inside each one of the yarn labels you'll see Manos Uruguay, the Hands of Uruguay, is a nonprofit organization which assembles women in cooperatives throughout the countryside of Uruguay. The aim of the organization is to bring economic and social opportunities to rural women, which I think is great. And they're making beautiful yarns, hands down for sure. Now I want to show you my kit as it goes, because I'm a little more than halfway done. It starts, oh, that looks great on camera, doesn't it? I'm looking at the monitor. It starts in the middle of the scarf here, and then you knit the 2 sides one at a time. And my needles are here, and I'm still working on it. It's great TV knitting because it's mostly just garter stitch with a little slip stitch pattern in there and just keeping up with the color changes. I'm really excited about this. 2 people are going to get a great kit. If you would like to sign up, just click the little I in the upper right hand corner to be whisked away to my website where you'll see the sign up form there. Or if we're on YouTube, you can look in the video description field below for the same link. 2 people are going to get some great yarn kits. Good luck.